Thank you. Advanced solar panel technology is indispensable factor to achieve a high system efficiency and lower LCOE. So next, let's welcome solar panel pioneer Trina Solar to bring their technology showcase. Mr. Lin Chongbo and Mr. Mohammed Shafik will deliver the speech together. Mr. Mohammed Shafik is handling sales activities in Pakistan and Trina Solar. He joined the trainer in January 2022 and has been responsible for business development and sales Trina Solar product portfolio in Pakistan. He has over 10 years experience of technical sales, business development, customer relationship, and key account management. And Mr. Lin Chongbo, he's the head of product and marketing from Trina Solar APAC. Mr. Lim is handling product and marketing in APAC at Trina Solar. He joined the trainer in November 2011 and has been responsible for product management, training, and promotion of new products to APAC customers. He has over 10 years of deep industry experience and is supporting a broad base of customers in different segments on product and technical matters. Now, I would like to hand my microphone to Mr. Mohammed Shafik. Let's welcome.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammed Shahzeb, Country Sales Manager, Pakistan in Trina Solar. Today, our topic is how does high power modules reduce project LCOE, levelized cost of electricity. This is an exciting topic. These presentations have two parts. One is introduction about Trina Solar and second is about modules and its technologies. Initially, regarding Trina Solar, it is 25 years old company, which is started in 1997. If you see the growth strategy, we can divide into three sections. In 1997 to 2006, we are predominantly acting as a solar PV company, where we have done our major projects during that period. We have done 40 numbers of off-grid rooftop systems, which we have installed in Tibet, China. And in 2006, we are listed in New York Stock Exchange. And from 2006 to 2016, we are a product-driven company in which we are focused on supplying product to selective overseas countries. And we used to follow those countries where the solar policy is happening. And in 2008, we have started building up our PV park at our headquarters, Chengdu in China. And in 2012, we realized that product needs to have R&D support. So we have our own state-key laboratory for science and technology, and at that point of time, it is the only one which is having with any of supplier and which is the largest one. We're really proud of having that particular lab because it helped us a lot from 2012 to till date. In 2014, we become globally #1 in terms of shipments, and we retained that positions for the next 3 years. And from 2016 to onwards, we call this is as Trina 3.0 era. In previous era, we working on product, whereas from 2016 to onwards, we started looking into the solution business, wherein we started thinking beyond panel that we can offer to this solar industry. For example, we started working on trackers. So you can see in 2018, we have acquired a tracker company, Enclave, from Spain. It is 100% owned by Trina Solar now. And we started working on energy management services like iCloud services or the battery management energy storage services. And today we are even working on the artificial intelligence and Internet of Things solutions related to renewable energy segment. In 2017, we have launched million rooftop solar program in China. In 2020, we are listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange. In 2021, we become 50 gigawatt of module manufacturing, and we also have the capability of cell manufacturing of around 40 gigawatt. So this is the brief introduction of Trina Solar. We are a true global company. We have our headquarters in Chengdu, China, from where we work globally. And there are 6 regional offices. The Asia Pacific headquarters is in Singapore, one in Dubai for EMEA region, one in Japan 2 in US and 1 in Europe. As of March 2022, we have shipped around 100 gigawatt of panels, and we have connected 5 gigawatt, that is our own projects, wherein we have done the project development and as well as EPC work and connected this to the grid. Our presence is in more than 100 countries and we have 15,000 plus employees. We are a reliable brand. For last 6 years, we are at the top. We have placed a top rank in Bloomberg Reliable Brand List. And this is the phenomenal achievement that Trina Solar has been doing. Not really in the Bloomberg report, we are also topping the list of PV scorecard, in which some of the top class module manufacturers never want to participate, but Trina has been topping that list as well as consecutively for last 4 to 5 years. And in Asia Pacific region, we are one of the fastest growing company. From 2017 to 2021, Trina Solar have achieved 13 gigawatt plus module shipment, one of the top 3 in APAC region. We work on the leading technologies. Number 1, Vertex series, which is we call ultra high power technology, in which we use 210 millimeter technology, also using multi-bus bar, also innovative arrangement and non-destructive cutting mode. We are doing high density packing. We have small manufacturing capacity of N-type top-on solar modules, which is at the moment more to do with the C&I rooftop segment and also into the utility scales. We achieved 24% efficiency and made a record of 24.58 front side efficiency. We are working on advanced HJT technology. You can see our research quantum of work. Already we are working on more than 860 projects and there are 20 plus patents have been applied. And there are certification within all international certifications bodies what are required and already achieved. This is a brief Trina technology roadmap. Trina Solar Pakistan, the world leading PV and smart energy total solution provider. Trina Solar is a true global and local market leader. According to Bloomberg report, Trina Solar 6 times top bankable module supplier. According to PVL, Trina Solar is 7 times top performer in PV module reliability scorecard. According to PV Tech, Trina Solar is top second module supplier in 2021. Trina Solar received top brand PV award by EUPD Research for the Pakistan and other regions in 2022, which means Trina Solar achieved high level of customer certification with its PV modules. We have presence in Pakistan since 2010. We have dynamic sales team, which is addressing the local requirement of PV modules, smart trackers, and solution business all across the Pakistan. Trina Solar is widely recognized in Pakistan, and there are numerous iconic projects done in Pakistan. These are few our distributors and partners. Divan International, MeSol, Z Solar, Green Age, Excel Energy, Quantum Energies, and we also have the partners, project partners like Premier Energy, Allied Engineering, Rion, Shams Power, Sky Electric, and Solis. These are the few C&I projects of Pakistan industry. For example, Facto Cement solar project of 5 megawatt, package small project, Anwar Khwaja Industries, Sapphire Group, AR Textile, DMOR Energy, Royal Solar, Enercon System International. And these are some of the domestic projects which is done on Trina Solar. This is all from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So next, I'm Lim from Trina Solar. Shahid, can you stop sharing your screen? Then I can share.
Yeah, please, Lee.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I hope everyone can see my screen now. Hello again. Thank you for your time to participate in the webinar today. I'm Lim, the product manager for Trina Solar Asia Pacific. Okay, so today, let me take the opportunity to brief everyone through again on what Trina portfolio we have. So this is our Trina Vertex family. So basically, we have a full range of products that is covering from residential application, commercial industrial rooftops, and also to ground-mounted utility projects. So mainly these are the 5 key models that we are supplying to our customers. On the left is our Vertex S module, which I will go into a bit more details. And then we have the 18 series, 19R series, 20 series, and the 21 series. So just a brief recap again on how module power has developed over the last 10 years. So you can see in 2020, it's been very exciting, where the module power bin has been increasing rapidly of almost like 50 watt per half a year. So now we are in an era of the 600 watt plus modules. So these are some of the technologies that we have put into Trina Vertex modules. So we are using the largest wafer size in the market now, 210 mm cell size. And because of, and with our unique design, we are using a low voltage, high current design. So with this, you can connect more modules per string and lower your system cost. So as we use the larger wafer size, so the dimension of the solar modules are also slightly bigger. So we have also reinforced our structure to maintain the same mechanical loading performance for Trina Vertex module. On top of that, we have also come up with a vertical packing. So this is an integrated delivery solution. So we have a vertical packing together with our stand to help our customers unpack the modules. Now on the top right corner, we are using the non-disruptive cutting technology. So this is in line with larger wafer size. So this will help use the low temperature laser to slice through the solar cell, and this will reduce the power loss and also minimize micro cracking happening in the cell. On top of that, we are also using a high density interconnection method. So this is to minimize the gap between each cell. Then coupled with the larger wafer size, we also use the multi-bus bar up to 12 bus bar for optimized efficiency and current generation capacity. So there's a bit more details on our Vertex S, which is an upgrade version from our previous Vertex S Generation 1. So now we are able to offer up to 135 watt with a almost similar dimension as compared to the previous. So these are 1.7 by 1.1, 30 mm thickness with weight only 21.8 kilo. We also have this model, the all-black version, which is very popular for some of the residential systems in Europe, in Japan, and also in Australia. So this is a power bin up to 430 watt, same size, same dimension, same weight. So we are also proud to announce that for this all-black model, we have won the 2022 Red Dot Design Award. So this is based on with a very excellent aesthetic. It looks very good when we install on the residential rooftops, and also on the industrial design, where we are able to maximize the rooftop space with the optimized dimension of the module, and using all the latest technology in the solar industry. So just as a case study, we compare the previous generation 1 Vertex S to the new generation Vertex S. It's approximately about 15 to 20 watt power bin increase. So for a same rooftop, we can actually connect almost like 0.3 kilowatt more. So this will help to increase the power generated over the lifetime of the system for 25 years. At the same time, also we have the Vertex S warranty. So it's a 15 years product warranty, 25 years performance warranty, standard 2% first year LID degradation and 0.55% year on year. Because of the higher power bin, so we are actually more power per container. So this will help to save on some of the logistic costs and also help to lower the carbon footprint. And Also, the product itself is designed with a lower current, so you can see it's compatible with all the major inverter brands in the market. So it's only about 10.6 ampere. So from our studies, it's compatible with more than 146 models of inverters currently being sold in the market. So we have also upgraded our larger dimension module. This is our B19R up to 580 watt. So similarly, it's also based on the low voltage, high current design. The dimension is same as before, our 19 series, 2.38 by 1.1, and the weight is about 29.6 kilo. So similarly, we also have this model in the bifacial version. So the previous one is in a monofacial backsheet. So this is a bifacial double glass up to 575 watt. So when we use the higher power bin, we can help save in the BOS cost in this range based on different case studies and projects that we have done. So the cost savings mainly come from the optimized logistics. Higher power bin will require less modules to install, and less modules will have less structure costs, and low voltage, higher current design will be using less strings, and we're saving on some of the DC cables. So this is our highest power bin product, 670 watt up to 21.6% efficiency. So as mentioned, based on our low voltage, high current design, we are able to pack about more than 30% more power per string as compared to the others 540s in the market. So this is a particular case study that we have done for commercial industrial rooftop in China. So comparing between a high power 670 watt and a 545 watt using the same DC-AC ratio for 1.6 megawatt system. You can see over here the number of modules used per string is 30 as compared to the 28 for the 545, and our string amount is 82 compared to 108. So this is approximately about 15 to 18% less strings, and the total number of modules is also much less compared to the 545. So when we put all these together in the assessment study, you will see the cost savings that we can get from using a higher power bin module. So the cost savings will be coming from less number of modules to install. As you can see here, the module amount is about 19% less, and use also 25% less PV cables, and also about 7% less mounting structures. So on top of that, there will also be cost savings coming from the labor cost and the installation time. So this is an example of installation on the rooftop itself. So in terms of installation time as compared to the 545, we are about, I would say about 15% less time taken to install. So these are some of the project reference that we have supplied for this large dimension module in the APAC region. So we have done projects in Thailand, in Singapore, and also in Malaysia. Of course, on top of the rooftop projects, we have also supplied to many ground-mounted projects in the hundreds of megawatt scale. So this is just an example of one project that we supplied for China. And also we have supplied for different floating projects in ASEAN, in Singapore, in Thailand, and in Vietnam. Okay, so with that, I've come to the end of my presentation. Thank you everyone for the time.
Thank you.